Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable the mouse acceleration on Windows 11 or 10. At various times we encounter an issue with the computer mouse not working properly on Windows 11 and 10 machines. Sometimes, the mouse does not respond to the movements made as fluently as it normally does, while sometimes, it just downright freezes. These problems come on Windows 11 or 10 when you incorrectly configure the mouse's acceleration settings. These mouse improper movements can be fixed by customizing the settings of the mouse. What is mouse acceleration? Before we proceed with the further steps to disable mouse acceleration, let me explain mouse acceleration. In simple words, mouse acceleration is relevant to the amount of movement shown by your device's cursor on the screen and the speed at which you move your mouse. It is one of the crucial things that doesn't fall on most people's radars. It goes unnoticed by most computer users. If you do not understand mouse acceleration yet, you can understand it in other words. We can say, the distance traveled by your mouse's cursor is directly proportional to the speed at which you operate the mouse, which is called mouse acceleration. The higher speed at which your mouse moves, the larger portion of the screen is covered. When the mouse acceleration functionality is disabled, your cursor movement is fixed and is not sensitive to your speed anymore. How to disable mouse acceleration on Windows 11 or 10? To turn off mouse acceleration on Windows 11 or 10, first, click on the Start button and type Control Panel. In the available search results, click on the Control Panel entry to open it. When the Control Panel window appears on your PC, type Mouse Settings. Then, click on the first link, Change Mouse Settings. Now, click on the Pointer Options tab. Uncheck Enhance Pointer Precision option. And click on the Apply button. Click the OK button to exit. Your computer mouse acceleration is now off. You can try moving your cursor and see how obvious the change caused by that is. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.